Hey, this is Ranger Pete, RTSP, with LT Miko, my co-worker and pal. Today we're going to talk a little bit about taking apart the Glock pistol, dropping some knowledge. Alright, so the Glock pistol, probably one of the most widely sold firearms in the world. Law enforcement, some military. In New Jersey, it's probably 80% of law enforcement in New Jersey is rocking some level of the Glock pistol. The 19, the 23, one of the 17. Yep. What's that other big?
No step on snake.
No step on snake. So what we're going to do, we're just going to not look at the firearm. We're going to take it apart just so you can, for our civilian users, just so you can really get a basic on how to take the firearm apart. Ready? As you can see, Miko is part of the Stevie Wonder. No step on snake. All right, so we'll be here until Miko's dead. So as you can see, we're taking, this is the extensive disassembly, but it's nothing that an average homeowner can't do, and you can do it efficiently.
It's even more than a homeowner would need to do, really, not to go this far.
Are you adding to this, or what are we trying to say?
No step on snake.
Okay, no step on snake.
I no step on your snake.
No, you stay away from my snake. All right, so reassembly, I am missing some parts, which may have wandered into me. Oh, here they are. So reassembly is the same thing, but opposite.
Oops, forgot to put a piece in.
What?
I forgot to put a piece in.
Okay, so don't shoot Miko's gun. All right, when we're done here, you can take my firearm out onto a range, and you can fire it. It will work. Assembly is pretty simple.
Why do you do this so fast?
Because you don't step on my snake.
I'm not stepping on any snake. I'm really messed up right now.
All right, so again, Glock pistol, very easy to manipulate, very easy to disassemble.
I need coffee or something. It's too early in the morning for this.
I got coffee. Stand by. Maybe that'll help you put it together better. See me looking you out?
Oh yeah.